INVICRO is an imaging services and software company.
Innovation at INVICRO is something that everyone who works at INVICRO wakes up thinking about every day.
Innovation means the ability to drive research faster, quicker discoveries.
We really founded on the principles of imaging informatics. So our core competency is around image data processing, image data management, providing image analytics to people doing life sciences research, primarily drug discovery and development efforts.
And really our goal is to offer unparalleled state-of-the-art imaging services kind of across the board.
But it begins with understanding the question that the pharmaceutical company has, converting that question into an experiment that can be conducted.
From the tissue level all the way to the animal, in vivo, to the first in human, to the target delivery, all the way to the multi-center trial.
What my team does in one word is quantitation. And what I mean by that is figuring out how to extract the information from image data.
INVICRO's approach to software and software solutions is really innovative. It's kind of scientists making software rather than software developers making tools for scientists.
The model of INVICRO scientific partnerships is really about collaboration.
Taking it back to the science and really being able to sit at the table with our sponsors and help understand what questions they're trying to answer and help them with their approach to their research is really what we base that partnership on.
The most exciting thing happening in molecular imaging right now is, without question, the use of molecular imaging to translate pharmaceuticals and make all of the key go, no-go, and ultimately acceptance and approval in the realm of drug discovery and development.
Nuclear medicine is really a problem solver. It can be used diagnostically for eligibility to make sure that we're actually studying the population with the disease.
We work on a variety of imaging modalities, disease areas. I have a large multidisciplinary team.
We have a relatively unique situation. As far as I know, there's no place quite like this in the world, with the amount of expertise in the basic science, in the understanding of the imaging.
INVICRO is really honored to be so involved in the World Molecular Imaging Society as a group that really bridges a gap between academic research efforts and pharmaceutical and industrial partners. If I look at how the World Molecular Imaging Society has impacted research over the last 15 years, it's been amazing to watch the number of labs around the world, both academically, industrially, bring on these capabilities, build out suites of imaging labs that enable this translational technology. And the World Molecular Imaging Society has been the hub where people can go to learn about these innovations, to share ideas, to present new ideas, and to translate these ideas into meaningful technologies.
My coworkers are total nerds, and myself included. I mean that in the best way possible. We are very fun to be around. We're very open. We come from such a diverse background. You can find so many different languages that we speak, so many different places that we grew up, so many different fields of research and expertise.
At the end of the day, we're about patient care and about improving outcomes and improving health and developing better medications, more targeted medications, medications with fewer side effects, all of which are for the benefit of the patient.
I recently had a communication with one of our scientific partners who said he doesn't view us as a contract research organization, but rather as a collaborative research organization. And for us, this is the ultimate compliment.
This is our lab.
This is our lab.
This is our lab.
This is our lab.
This is our lab.